Hello, the kids are back at school, so I'm back with another video. Nothing in depth today, just a quick video unpacking some of these packages that have been sitting around for a few weeks now, and to say thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed. Now I've got three packages here. I'm not sure what one of them is. I can remember what two of them are, but I can't remember what the other one is, so you might only see two of these. I'll cut out anything that isn't relevant for the channel. So let's zoom in a bit and we'll get cracking. Let's get started with this one. This is the one I think is not related to the channel, I'm not sure. Ah, right, it is. This one is related to the channel. Yeah, so I've been buying a few sets of headphones lately, and I think one of the other deliveries is also something to do with headphones as well. But the three-ringed headphones that have the inline microphone on them for phones and stuff like that don't work with at least one of my Minidisc players. They give some weird audio effects. So I've been looking around for traditional stereo headphones. So I bought these ones before, and I might do some reviews on these like in future videos. I've got quite a few headphones, so I might go through some of those. Okay, so moving on to this one. Box has taken a bit of a battering during the delivery, but I think I know what this one is. Yes, it is. It's another set of headphones, but I'm not going all iPod on you or all iPhone on you, but this is the original box, and it's like second hand from eBay, and I don't know what this bit is. It could be a cloth or something. But what I really wanted was this, because these are the original iPod Touch headphones, and I've got two sets of these. They're years old. Let me see if I've got one handy. Yeah, so here it is. This is the typical stereo headphones jack, which is the two rings, and the audio ones. Let me grab one of those. Not the audio ones, the ones for smartphones, which have got an inline microphone, and the buttons and everything else have got extra ring there, and they're no good for one of my players at least. So these ones I've used, they're just about the best quality that I've got in headphones, and I haven't got very good ears, but these ones, as you see, are breaking up, and they're just wearing out. So I've got two sets of those. So I looked on eBay and paid up a bit. I think I paid about 20 quid for this. The original box and a couple of accessories, but an unused set of Apple headphones, so I'm happy to get those. Okay, moving on to this one. Now this is not ideal packaging for what is in it, so hopefully it survived the journey. When you think there was this box here just for that little package with the headphones in, and then we've got this one here. We'll see what it is in a minute. Yes, it's not just an adapter. So that gives us a clue. What's it say on there? There you go, Panasonic. You've seen in my other videos, I'm quite a fan of a particular Panasonic Minidisc player, and I thought I'd treat myself to another one that isn't working perfectly. So there's a battery adapter, piggyback adapter, strap, stand, which looks a bit did that come off? No. Looks a bit dirty, a bit yellowed. So that's a charging stand for it. And this is the Minidisc player itself. If I can get it out. Let's untangle this for a second. So there it is. Now I don't think these were marketed in the UK. In Europe, I think this is a Japan only one, and it is in better condition than I thought it was, but it does have an issue in that the remote control doesn't work very well. So I'll have a quick look at this now. I'll do a separate video on that another time. This is the first day back with kids going back at school. Oh, look at that, it's a transparent window. First day with the kids back at school, so it's actually my first weekday working that I've had since before Christmas, and business has suffered quite a bit, so I need to get on with that. So brilliant. Well, thanks for sticking with me, thanks for staying subscribed. There'll be a video about this and maybe reviews on headphones later on. If you haven't already subscribed, click the subscribe button. If you tap or click on the bell icon, it will give you a notification when I upload as well, which might not be very regularly. So you're not going to get notifications every day. You might get them once a week at best, I think, but it will let you know when I've got new videos up. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.